Pantyhose can be delicate, but with a few DIY tricks, you can extend their lifespan and keep them looking fresh. To fix a run, apply a small amount of clear nail polish or hairspray to the edges to prevent further tearing. For a more stubborn run, use a needle and thread to stitch it up gently. To avoid snags, always moisturize your hands and legs before putting on pantyhose. When washing, use a mesh laundry bag and wash on a gentle cycle or hand wash with mild detergent. To dry, lay them flat instead of hanging to prevent stretching. Store pantyhose in individual plastic bags to avoid tangling and snags. These simple steps ensure your pantyhose stay in great condition for longer.